All gems are cut and polished by progressive abrasion using finer and finer grades of harder substances. Diamond, the hardest naturally occurring substance, has a Mohs hardness of 10 and is used as an abrasive to cut and polish a wide variety of materials, including diamonds itself. Silicon carbide, a man-made compound of silicon and carbon with a Mohs hardness of 9.5, is also widely used for cutting softer gemstones. Other compounds such as cerium oxide, tin oxide, chromium oxide and aluminum oxide are frequently used in polishing gemstones. In most gemsewing, a thin circular blade, usually composed of steel, copper or a phosphorus bronze alloy, impregnated along the outer edge with diamond grit and rotating at several thousand surface feet per minute, literally scratches its way through a gemstone. A liquid such as oil or water is used to wash away cutting debris and keep the stone and the saw blade from overheating, which could cause damage to both the stone and the saw blade. There are also jigsaws that employ either a reciprocating wire or a continuous thin metal band. These are useful for cutting curved lines that are impossible with circular saws. They are also useful in minimizing waste on extremely valuable rough material. Sanding is similar to grinding, but uses finer abrasives. Its purpose is to remove deep scratches left by coarser abrasive during grinding. Since it removes material less rapidly, it also allows more delicate control over final shaping of the stone prior to polishing. For stones with rounded surfaces, a flexible surface such as a belt sander is often used to avoid creating flat areas and promote smooth curves. Lapping is very similar to grinding and sanding, except that it is performed on one side of a rotating or vibrating flat disc known as a lap, and it is used especially to create flat surfaces on a stone, as in pasting. Laps are often made of cast iron, steel or a copper-bronze alloy, but other materials can also be used. When a gem cutter desires a hole in or through a gemstone, for example a bead, a small rotating rod or tube with a diamond tip or a slurry of silicon carbide and coolant is used to drill through the stone. Ultrasonic or vibrating drills are also very effective, but they tend to be costly and those reserved for high-volume commercial drilling. Large quantities of roughly shaped stones are often tumbled, i.e., turned at a slow speed in a rotating barrel with abrasives and water for extended periods, days or weeks. By tumbling with progressively finer grades of abrasive, usually silicon carbide, and washing carefully between grades, the stones are gradually smoothed and polished to serendipitous but often very attractive shapes. Thanks for watching, until next time!